Hi, I'm Jonathan, and this presentation is about how the data management class helped me and my organization move to the next level of stewardship excellence. I'm thankful for the good and useful learning experiences from this class, from the late nights, to the learning curve to take on a new skill, all the way to the cold shivers I got when I appeared to have broken my own database. The beginning of my story started with week 1 of this class, when I sent out an email asking my colleagues and their perspectives on how a database management system can be useful to us. I got some good feedback, and my favorite one is, I like all 3 of those. Well, here's my company, DV Aviation. We manage and fly aircraft in West Texas. The terrific people I work for, and those who benefited directly from this class, are Jacob, Bill, Bryce, and our often over-paperwork executive assistant, Sarah. As I started my database training with Access, I was amazed enough at its capabilities on my local computer, but I came across literature that emboldened me to go further. The biggest lessons came from Cybertrend magazines, which impressed me the most through its articles on software-defined everything and master data management. These filled my imagination with concepts like centralizing management functions and encapsulating services and software, and having the flexibility and agility across the board, and giving employees all the tools necessary to perform up to their potential. When I first read this statement, I couldn't help but feel the weight of having let down my own colleague Bill a while ago, who challenged me to digitize and network all of our airplane flight logs, a skill I did not have at the time. Then other phrases like designating data that's crucial to the core tenets of business and calling that master data, and then managing that master data so that all roles in the company can take advantage of potential insights. I have been compelled this whole semester to deliver this paradigm to my organization. I first built part of my dream in Access, where I put together the prototype database with tables and fields and relationships, and I got involved enough to realize that we really need an online platform. So I asked my website developer, Brandon, what he can do for me, and he blessed me by giving me the resource of MySQL, which I found had its own limitations. I can make the database, and I can make queries, but they were very cookie-cutter and really not user-friendly. Later, Brandon informed me of an online DBMS platform, which, pushed and led by a lot of God's grace, led me to another online DBMS platform called Knack. In just a few days, with Knack, I developed a functioning corporate DBMS, sold the concept to our VP, wrote the literature, and launched it into our organization. Similar to Access, Knack uses tables like contacts, aircraft, flight log, and has many kinds of fields like date, multiple choice, text, integer, and has connections to other tables. The Live app is available on desktop as well as on mobile, so that, in the words of Jacob, our vice president, we now have the connectivity that is key to our organization. Our DVA MDM, Master Data Management, dashboard on Knack can input data using forms. We can filter records. We can print records. And we can customize Knack to give us valuable insight into what's happening in our organization, such as services that need to happen and pilots that have recurrent training due. Thanks to this data management class and to Knack, we now have a simple connectivity for data providers, accessibility for those who need to procure the data, and insight for those who need to make decisions from the data. We think that this system optimizes our resources, adds scalability for our organization, and increases our service reliability. Thank you to Dr. St. John for administering this class, and to DV Aviation for the creative outlet. God bless you.